First up, we have your audio volume. This is the overall volume of your Deeptech Vista machine. So this is your iron volume. This is to mute or lower the iron volume. So this allows the audio of the good targets to come through clear and lowers the iron audio only. This is your iron discrimination. The higher you have this set, the more of the iron you will discriminate. In some cases you can knock out small foil, but it is mainly an iron discrimination. You really want this set as low as possible in order to maximize the performance of your Deeptech machine. This is your sensitivity. The greater sensitivity used will allow you to find the minuscule, tinier items in the ground. Also give you the best opportunity to grab the deeper targets. But you need to bear in mind, the higher the sensitivity you run, the more unstable the machine may become if EMI is present in your area. So always keep the sensitivity to a nice, good level so the machine is running stable. This is your ground balance dial. This is used to eliminate minerals in the soil. So you need to raise your coil up and down to the ground from about 1 inch to 9 inch in a steady motion and listen for the audio change. In two-tone mode, you need to listen for the point between a high tone and a low tone. Once you have reached that point, you have ground balanced your machine. This next dial is your gain. This is overall power of your machine. Once again, you need to keep the gain at a level where the machine is stable. If you have EMI in your area, the higher the gain, the less stable your machine may become. So always run the gain to levels where the machine is running stable for best overall performance. This is your boost toggle switch. This allows you to grab the deeper targets if you wish to run boost all the time. But in many cases, people use the boost just to check the weaker signals. Just brings the audio through that much clearer, but you can use it constantly if you wish. So the toggle switch on the other side is your mode selection switch. Now with this toggle switch in the forward position, you are in two-tone mode. So you have a high tone for your good targets and a low tone for your iron targets. With the switch in the middle position, you are in all metal. So all targets will sound off as a high tone. When you pull the toggle switch back towards you, you are in single tone mode. So iron will emit zero audio and good targets will ring out as a good high tone.